So these are the house layouts for plans. When clients are not in the house, but we want to start getting the process going. Our first question is, do you have any original plans? Can we find any original plans that we can start making the existing drawings or the existing layouts and working from there? So then we throw everything in AutoCAD, we make the drawings, and that's kind of where we start then working on proposed layouts, okay? So once we get access to the house, then we need to bring an entire team just to remeasure every single inch of the house. Windows, door frames, ceilings, you name it, because we want to make sure that we have the correct measurements. And for this particular project, we had that we're changing windows throughout. From the original plans, there were many windows that actually doesn't exist. So those are the kind of things why you need to, come back and do all this job site inspections and measurements and walk through, just because you want to make sure that, before you order every material, any component that is going to be installed, you actually have the right information. So it's a little bit of a process that goes behind the design. It's not as simple as just saying, okay, this is how the kitchen is gonna look like, and this is the color of the cabinet. So it really goes into more in the technical details, and I think that's where we as a team find that having engineering backgrounds comes really handy. So as my actual trade is industrial engineering, our project manager is mechanical engineer as well. So we really value having that background, and it comes really handy when we go through a process like this, just to try to understand how things work, behind the walls, and how HVAC and plumbing and electrical will kind of work. Always trying to have that engineering mind to find the more cost-effective solutions to any problems or any particular issues that come up, or how to make sure that you are bringing functionality with beauty and design side by side.